I started recording again, Daddy. Now begin again. I started recording again. Now get ready again. Hurrah! Here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Daddy, you ruined another stack of grass. I'm checking the damages in the morning. Daddy, I'll check the damages in the morning. Was that a bird? Jalen? Jalen? Yeah. Wait, Daddy! I'm gonna let Jalen hold the phone for me. Jalen, huh? Can you hold the phone for me? Don't end the recording, okay? Just record it for the whole entire show, okay? Now pour it on me, okay? Right, Daddy! Right, Daddy! Okay. You recording?
Yep.
All right. All right. I'll see you some more. Oh my God! You almost blew the fireworks!
Yeah. He's watching people.
Not only that, you damaged the tree! You damaged.
Yeah, there's so many people there for him.
Now I think the tree's gonna be on fire tonight. Get out of here, bud! Yeah! Are those meteors? Meteor bombers, huh? That's literally movie stuff! Jalen, do you think it's gonna be the end of the world soon?
Probably not, Bub. Why do you think it's you?
I don't think Earth will ever end. Probably Earth will end probably about 2996.
2996? That's a good guess.
Shut up, Lightning McQueen! Yeah? Oh boy! The world is fake! Oh man! That was clearly a meteor asteroid.
A meteor asteroid.
That was Jupiter.
Here comes Papa blundering out through here.
What do you think you're doing here? Are you invited to the show?
Yeah, it's cold and no theater. You know how it is.
Bad news, Papa. There's not any more seats. But at least you can sit in that orange lawnmower. Now, back to the show.
Here you go, sit on the porch up here.
Alright, he's here, Daddy. He's here. Yep.
Hey, bro, when he started.
Ready to get off? Okay.
This is Braden. Say fireworks off.
Do what?
I thought Braden was
Look at me, I'm on a rock like a caveman. Well, you ready?
2 in the morning.
Daddy, do you think the firework will jump me on the
Survey the
road?
damage on the track.
Huh?
Survey the damage on the grass. They can 2 or 3 come down. They've been 2 or 3 come down in that grass up through there.
You know, we need the exploding one. We need the exploding one. I'll run a fireworks stand on this table. Why aren't you recording it? Dylan, why aren't you recording it? Oh, wait. Oh, it's time. Mama!
Yeah.
Papa, hold the camera. Hold the camera.
I can't hold it.
Grandpa won't hold that
Hold
right.
the camera. Hold the camera. Don't turn it off, okay? Don't turn it off, okay?
Well, I have to get a hold of it. What am I doing?
Turn it at me, okay?
Oh my God.
Right. Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco. Seis. Siete. Ocho. Nueve.
Doing it, shooting a little video.
No, he's having to build him a little stand up there to get them set up, and they fall down and go the wrong way.
You recording, Mama?
I'm looking you right in the back of the head, I guess.
Okay, big tree. Go! Woo! That shot
Now, Jordan, ain't no use stacking that way.
He's tore up if I leave him alone.
Oh, what's that?
He's good with that kind of fireworks, but you take him to one of them places where they're shooting them off, he can't stand that. Oh God, he gets on his nerves.
I'll continue recording. Alright, I'm continuing recording now. I'm gonna watch the rest of the show by sitting on this chair. Oh boy, I see some orange. Okay, 76% on my phone. Dang it. Dang! Dang it, I don't like swallowing bugs.
I don't either, Bub. It won't got my ears. That's bad.
I'll record the rest of this on this table. And this is the stand for it. Dang it, this is the sliding table. I don't give a dang. I might have to switch cameras for this. Jill, just ignore this on you.
Okay, Bub.
Yo! Asteroids are launching everywhere! Forget this time. Let's record somewhere else. I want to move the indoor cleaner. Right so you guys can see the show. Jalen, can you move, please?
Put it on front of the. Put it up here above. Put it up here.
Get over here.
Put it up here above.
Hold on, I gotta put this on.
Get his stuff situated. Look.
Janie, talking to you.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. All right. Ready to load up? I'll count Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve.
5, 6, 7, 8. It went out.
Huh.
No, it didn't, Papa, okay?
How dare you say that?
Seems like we're having an awesome night, Jalen.
Yeah, we're having an awesome night.
Real fat weed ears white as lead right there.
I might give you a turn to hold the phone again. Dylan, I might give you a turn to hold the phone again.
It's a 4.
Okay?
At the edge of the porch, you said?
No!
You get chiggers on you, Jaden the bug, don't that clap.
Your butt crack will be itching.
You be itching armpits and everywhere.
Woo!
Woo!
You like that finale?
Yeah!
Yeah, baby.
Now, unfortunately, the fireworks show is over.
Now, Sonic.
Great job, Daddy. You made the best fireworks show. Oh, we got a bonus? We got a bonus, Daddy?
No, me and you're going. I got some stuff we can shoot.
Okay. Seems like show's not over, folks. We still got one more firework left. I hope it's another big one. In the meantime, I'm gonna go cut some leaves.
Cut some what?
Leaves?
Why? You better leave them on leave them off. You know, chicken stuff off them.
Mosquitoes are dead, though. They're no longer a thing.
I know where to come off.
Dylan,
What,
can you hold the phone again?
No, I'm holding my phone, baby. What? Yeah. Yeah, you did.
Great job for the ending, Daddy. Well, folks, the 2024 fireworks show has concluded.
Down
Thank-
here.
Thank you for watching, everyone. And I hope we'll get to see you next time, next year or something. Bye, everyone. Have a great 4th of July.